I love buses!
I found where I don't go. It's a long way down the Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Take a ride on the West Coast Kick. Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road.
We're trying to raise awareness in Congress to get funding for the motor coach industry, which was largely forgotten in the last stimulus package. Our buses move our economy. Support our motor coaches. Support our industry.
I found out long ago. It's a long way down the Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road. Holiday Road.
Everything across America, our military, our school groups, our sports teams, professionals, everybody depends on motor coaches, and many of them right now can't afford to pay for their buses and keep their businesses open. Many of those small businesses support their families. All of the drivers depend on their jobs, and we really feel that Congress has failed them, and we're hoping to gain support.
Went dancing across the USA on that crazy King's Highway. Too much passion, too much play. We went dancing, dancing, dancing across the USA.
Well, the curtain falls too early, so they say. Some will go, others just stay and stay. So